Hey guys, Benjamin here. Akinyi is off taking care of some stuff around the house, but I'm getting the nursery ready for baby to come. And one of the things that I'm really taking seriously is safety. So we have the Siterwell smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. One of the great features is that it detects both carbon monoxide, which is, as we all know, a silent killer, and it detects smoke. And it announces which one is being detected until the event has cleared. Product is really great, easy to install, goes right onto the wall, comes with 10-year battery for the wireless model. If you get the wired model, it does come with the two batteries with it for power outages, stuff like that. The thing I really like about this is that it's nifty, that it can speak to you and tell you what situation you're encountering. So let's say your house is filling up with smoke, it will speak that to you.
Fire, incendie. Warning, carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
So you see, it tells you exactly what you're dealing with. So that way, instead of running around, okay, where's the smoke? You can actually know, oh, hey, we are smelling carbon monoxide and you need to get out of the house. It's a life or death situation. Installs right onto the wall, has the mounting plate, so you can screw the mounting plate onto the wall and then you can attach it. The system works really great, and actually, so installing this, I was making some bacon. So if you give it one click.
Fire alarm before. The total number of historical alarms is 1.
Alarme incendie avant. Le nombre total d'alarmes en mémoire est de 1.
So it tells you that you actually had an alarm and it keeps track of how many alarms you have. Luckily, I've only had one. I was making bacon and it kind of filled up the house with some smoke. But really great to have and just know what's happening when you're in your house. They do have the two models of wireless, which is just completely, you don't have to do much for installation. And then they do have a wired model as well, of which you can install directly into your home. So great product. I highly recommend that you guys check them out. One of the other great functions with this is, let's say you do get a false alarm, or, we all have those cooking accidents and the smoke detector is going off, and we all know how annoying it is to stand there with the towel flapping back and forth. Well, click the button once and that will actually clear the alarm out for you. Now that's a temporary thing. It only holds out for about eight minutes, but once you press that, you have 8 minutes to clear the air. So you're not standing there with the towel flapping it back and forth. You're able to actually just press the button, relax, and know that everything's good. Also, another great thing is you can mute the low battery for 10 hours. So if you are running low on the battery, which, let's get this straight, it's got a 10-year lithium-ion battery, so you're not going to be dealing with that many dead batteries where you have to go buy a 9-volt battery. But let's say you do have a dead battery and you're getting low, you can just click it, it mutes for 10 hours. So no annoying beep beep when you're sleeping or trying to just get stuff done around the house. Additionally, the design, specifically the mesh design, allows for more accurate detection, quicker detection, and that allows families a much quicker time to get out of the house to safety in those emergencies. And that's precious. I mean, the quicker you find out that there's a fire, the more likely you are to get out of the house. So these are all great things for the smoke detector. check out the description box below so you can find out details on this. It's great to have smoke detectors all around your house. Honestly, like every room should have one. Install it in your kitchen, in the bedroom, the living room. You never have enough time when it comes to a fire. So the earlier you can get a warning, the better you can survive and get out of your house. So check out the description box below so you can find out all the details about the Siterwell smoke detector carbon monoxide. All right?
Historical alarms is 1.
Alarme incendie avant. Le nombre total d'alarmes en mémoire est de 1.
Fire alarm before. The total number of historical alarms is 1.
Alarme incendie avant. Le nombre total d'alarmes en mémoire est de 1.
Alright guys, well that's where I'm going to leave you at. Until next time, stay tuned in, know what's going on, and we look forward to touching base with you.
Fire.
Incendie.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
The product is equipped with an AI system that will continue to optimize the effect of smoke detection according to whether the alarm is muted or not. The smoke detector fits perfectly on the wall. The mounting system is great because you just put it, screw it in, and you can just attach the unit to the mounting clip. This unit is very good. It's perfect for a baby's room or any other room. Make sure you check out the description box below so you can get your coupons, 25% off on the official store page and 20% off the Amazon store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you know when new stuff is coming out.